Let's face it, QR codes are everywhere, but most of them are, well, boring. They are those black and white squares that businesses use to try and connect with customers. QR codes are supposed to help businesses stand out, but the old ones, they all look the same. It's like they're designed to blend in. And if you're a business, you have no idea if anyone is actually scanning your QR codes. Are your marketing efforts working? It's like throwing darts in the dark. Plus, if you need to change the link, you gotta reprint everything. Talk about a waste of time and money. And that's not all. Creating a good looking page for your QR code, that usually means hiring designers, paying for hosting. It's time consuming and even more expensive. Don't you wish your QR code was better? What if it could be more engaging, more attractive, and actually have your branding on it? It would help improve your brand recall and get you more customers. Even better, what if QR codes could be dynamic? What if you would never need to print them again or change them on your websites and ads, no matter how many changes you made? So dynamic, beautiful, and easy to manage. Is the list looking good? Introducing Qroq, the QR code platform that finally gives businesses the tools they need to create pretty, smart QR codes and pages with just one click. Qroq is designed for growth-oriented businesses that want to stand out, track results, and make the most of every QR. With Qroq, you can create designer QR codes that actually reflect your brand, not just some generic black and white square. You can make dynamic QR codes that you can update anytime without reprinting and create beautiful QR landing pages for your business. No design or tech skills required. Here's what Qroq brings to the table. Custom designed QR codes. Say goodbye to boring black and white. Qroq lets you use your brand colors, your logos, custom shapes, make your QR codes pop. Dynamic QR codes. Total control, update the link, the content, anything, anytime, without having to reprint a single QR code. QR landing pages, create menus, link pages, profiles, e-commerce pages, all optimized for mobile and all linked to your QR codes. Tracking and optimization. Finally, you can see who's scanning your codes, where they're scanning, and what they're interested in. This is marketing gold. Branded QR codes. Put your logo front and center. Where people see your branded QR code, they remember you. Color QR codes. Don't let anyone tell you QR codes have to be black. Use your brand colors and get noticed. Studies show color QR codes get way more scans. Hybrid QR technology. Get the best of both worlds with static and dynamic QR codes together. And Qroq isn't just for one type of business. It's for restaurants, retail stores, hotels, clinics, real estate, education, transportation, repair shops, salons, non-profits, fashion, legal, gyms, consultants, travel, cosmetics. If you're a business, Qroq can help you sell more. Qroq transforms QR codes from a boring necessity into a powerful marketing tool. Imagine branded QR codes that are unforgettable, colored QR codes that grab attention, dynamic QR codes that give you total control and valuable data, and QR powered pages that create a seamless, engaging experience for your customers. Don't settle for boring, outdated QR codes. Upgrade to Qroq and make your next QR code your best QR code. So if you're ready to upgrade your QRs to Qroq, then you've come here at just the right time. Right now, Qroq is on sale and you can grab it for a super special price. So don't miss out. Get instant access to Qroq today with our 30-day money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Get your Qroq now.